In your job, you are going to be encountering many types of hazards. One of the greatest hazards to your health relates to manure gases. The levels and the types of gases produced are going to depend upon the type of animal that produced the waste, the feed that they consumed, the environment that they are housed in, and then how the manure is handled and stored. The first gas we're going to talk about in the manure gases is methane. Methane is a gas that is explosive, so it's our gas that's going to be of concern in those confined areas where pressure can build up that methane and where you might be working where a spark can be produced and ignite that methane. Methane, like all of the gases, wants to escape and mix into the environment, so it will quickly go out of the area. The second gas of concern is going to be ammonia. Ammonia has the tendency to irritate your respiratory system. It is a lighter than air gas. That ammonia we think of a lot of times with poultry waste, and so this is one that really the amount of ammonia can vary depending upon that animal that produced the waste and the environment. The next gas of concern is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is heavier than air. It's going to take longer to get out of the area. The biggest concern with carbon dioxide is going to be that carbon dioxide displaces oxygen. So in a confined space, carbon dioxide is going to displace that oxygen and have a potential to cause you to be asphyxiated. The last gas that we really want to talk about is hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide is a toxic gas. It's the one that we commonly hear about when we look at fatalities and injuries related to manure gases. Hydrogen sulfide is heavier than air, so it's going to mix a little bit slower, and especially in confined spaces. However, we have had fatalities in the manure industry related to open air, non-enclosed spaces. Anytime this manure is being agitated or stirred, that hydrogen sulfide levels can increase rapidly and have that potential to overcome that individual that's working in that environment. If we really want to know what the levels of gases are that we're exposed to when we're working in and around manure storage and handling, a gas monitor is the only true way to know these levels.